What's up everybody, it's Trevor here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite free Shopify themes that you should be using for your Shopify store. Now, these free themes are handpicked. Most of them you guys probably already know, but there's a new one on the list that I've been really playing around with, been really liking. So let's jump onto the computer with no time to waste, talk about these 3 themes and share it with you guys. Alright, so we're on the computer here on the Shopify dashboard. Now the first theme that is the old Shopify default theme, Debut. Now the reason I really like Debut is it is very fast and it has all the essentials that you need for your store. So essentially you have Debut has all these features, from you can add blog posts, collection lists, feature collections onto your homepage. And this is all you really need for your homepage anyways. You want a big banner right here, you want a collections, maybe some 2 images side by side, and then a email sign up form, and maybe even a blog. So it has all of these features that you possibly need. See here's the newsletter. So it has everything that you need. And the reason why Debut is really good is because everyone knows the default Shopify theme. Most people think that it's too basic or looks really bad, but this makes it very easy for new people, new shoppers, to recognize the default Shopify theme and become familiarized with it. So having a theme that a lot of people recognize is a good thing. Now, Debut has all the features that you need, and we'll jump onto the products and how you can customize the products. I did add a demo product, but apparently it's not showing in here. The main reason why Debut is so good is because it's really fast. If you load this entire website up, it's gonna load in less than 2 seconds. Debut is very lightweight. It doesn't have a lot of files, unnecessary files. It has all the bare essentials for your Shopify store. Inside catalog, very simple. You can even change the colors right here. It has all the essentials. If you need something else, the only app that I would install is going to be Vitals. It has all the essential apps that you possibly need for your Shopify store. Upsells, maybe cart drawers, maybe sales pop-ups, trust badges, Wheelio alternatives, all of that inside of Vitals. But we're not talking about Vitals in this video. So Debut is the very first theme on the list. Very simple, very fast, and very simple to use for newbies. But a lot of pros actually use Debut as well. Multiple 7, 8, and 9 figure dropshippers do use Debut, surprising or not. So let's jump into the next theme now, and it's going to be Debutify. Now, Debutify is not a Shopify theme; it's rather a third-party theme. Now, this theme, has gotten a lot of people to install this theme in the past few years, and the main reason is it is basically Debut but a lot better. Now, I still think Debut is plenty enough to create a converting landing page and a website overall, but Debutify does have a lot of different features depending on your needs for your store. Now, Debutify does have a lot of add-ons. Now, the add-ons do cost money, but the free plan, which you can use, has 5 add-ons max. So I can show you some of the add-ons later on, but what makes Debutify really good is because if you want to have a really customized website, Debutify is perfect for that. Now I'm going to show you inside what Debutify looks like. So you have to go and install the Debutify app through Try Debutify Free, and then go through the dashboard, and you have to download Debutify through here. I haven't done this on this Shopify demo store, so I'm going to do it right now. Alright, welcome back. We are back inside of Debutify. Now, the main reason why Debutify is so good because it has all these different features. Now, it has upsell, pop-ups, quantity breaks, cart upsells, and all that. But they also have different add-ons inside with theme settings, called Debutify add-ons. There's over 54 of them. And on the free plan, it says right here you can activate up to 5 add-ons. And the main add-ons that you should definitely check out is the FAQ section is really good. And then either the page builder, which is a new feature inside the latest version of Debutify. Page speed booster. I haven't seen a much improvement using the page speed booster. I would still recommend you to get someone else on Fiverr to improve the speed manually, but page speed booster is there just to help out increase your store speed. Now, also quantity breaks, sales countdowns, sales pop-ups, and all of this stuff. However, on the free plan, once again, you're only limited to 5. So do pick the best 5 so you can stick with the free plan. And there's really no need to get any of the paid add-ons anyways. So with that being said, let's jump onto the product page now. Alright, on the product page, I just imported a demo product. All these familiar features that you can go ahead and use vitals for. For example, this banner right here that's is like a simple add to cart button. When you're scrolling, you don't have to scroll all the way up to click add to cart. Now they even have notify me and then the live visitors on this site. There's a ton of features with Debutify. You might get lost. And on the left side of this page, you have the actual page builder right here that they just introduced. But images with text, pricing tables, and FAQ are mostly used inside Debutify while creating product pages. So Debutify is a really good theme for those people that need a lot of different features. It does slow down. It is probably the heaviest theme out of all these 3. So I do recommend anybody when they use Debutify, once they finish their website, they'll go ahead and hire a developer to increase the speed and get rid of all the unnecessary code that Debutify pre-installs to make it a lot faster. Now let's jump on to the very last theme, and the new theme on this list is going to be Dawn. Now Dawn theme is a new theme that just recently was introduced with Shopify. Now it is based on the Shopify 2.0. With Dawn, there are a lot of new improvements to Debut. Now the main reason Dawn came out is because is to improve on Debut. Now Debut is necessary enough, and a lot of people use Debut to run their Shopify stores, but Dawn is a much improved version of Debut. With Dawn, there are a lot new features and more manual customization that you just wouldn't get with Debut. So inside of the home page, you have basic home image banners and feature collections, and then you have the general theme sections just like Debut and Debutify, maybe even more, but it has all the general contact forms. You even have a custom liquid. If you know how to code in liquid, you can add custom apps and different custom banners and images with liquid. And then you have a lot of different pages, videos, and all just typical Shopify things that you would normally get inside of Debut theme. Now inside of the products, this gets a lot more interesting and it looks a lot better than Debut. Now I obviously didn't show you Debut on what the demo looks like, but it looks very, very similar to this, except you can't customize any of this at all. You will need to add a description down here to have images displayed on the left. Inside text, you can have different values of what you want to display, so more manual control with Dawn theme. And then inside a title text, you can change this as well. Price you can't change. With variant picker, there's a button in a drop down which isn't native with Debut. Now with quantity sector, buy buttons, you have dynamic checkout, which is pretty typical. Descriptions, shares. You even have one of my favorite features called collapsible tab. And what collapsible tab does is, we're going to add 2 right here as a demo. It basically is a tab on every single product page to inform your buyers of this Shopify store or brand, and more specifically what I like to put here is shipping times and our guarantee. So you can change this to shipping times, like right here, and then you can even change the icon. The best one in my opinion is lock. It gives a bit of, makes the store look a lot more professional with the lock icon right here. So with Dawn, it is currently my favorite free theme out of these three, because it has the perfect amount of customization and it doesn't have all the bloat that comes with Debutify. Now if you're new to Shopify, start with Debut and get a hang of it, and then definitely try out Dawn, because Dawn has almost all the features that you may need for your Shopify store. Now if you found any value in this video of these best 3 free Shopify themes, make sure you drop a like on this video, and until next time, peace out.